Hello everyone, welcome to solve this problem 0 factorial which is equal to 1, but how? So let's go to the solution, or let's go to the explanation. So we know that factorial can be defined as n factorial, which is equal to number of arranging, or the number of ways to arrange n objects. So it will be n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 up to 2 times 1. So let's take 6 factorial. Let's take 6 factorial. So it will be n is 6 here. So 6 times n minus 1 is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 720. And let's take another number, that's 5 factorial, which is n here, n is 5. So 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 120. And then 4 factorial is equal to, that's n is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 24. 3 factorial is equal to n 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. So this, as you have seen, 6 factorial and 5 factorial. Let's take 5 factorial and 6 factorial. So their difference is, here in 6 factorial is 6 times 5 times up to 1, and also 5 factorial is 5 times 4 up to 1. So the only difference between them is 6. So this 5 factorial can be, this 5 factorial can be expressed as 5 factorial, which is equal to 6 factorial divided by 6. So it will be 120. In similar manner, we do have 4 factorial, we do have 3 factorial, we do have 2 factorial, we do have 1 factorial. So here 4 factorial will be, so the difference between 5 factorial and 4 factorial is 5. So this 4 factorial will be 5 factorial divided by 5, which is equal to 24. And 3 factorial will be 4 factorial divided by 4, which is equal to 6. And then 2 factorial will be 3 factorial divided by 3, which is equal to 2. And 1 factorial will be 2 factorial divided by 2, which is equal to 1. So in a similar manner, completing this pattern will give us 0 factorial is equal to 1 factorial divided by 1. So applying the same pattern for 0 factorial. So the 1 factorial is 1 times 1 divided by 1 equals to 1. So having this pattern, we have 0 factorial is equal to 1. Thank you very much for watching.